Alright guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be working on a Aaron's Edge 42. He is having the same issues that I have. Ignition wouldn't start. So yesterday I tried the method that I did. Brought my battery, put it on, connected it, and then I did what I used to do with the, pass it as a, what do you call it, a bridge. I started it and it would work. So today they bought this one, which is the identical one. That's the one before. You see this one has a connector there, so we just need to connect it. Got a new battery for it, and we're gonna do an oil change while we're at it. This is the one that they bought yesterday and it didn't work out because it didn't have that connector. So we're gonna need I think this was a 10 mil, 3/8 to take it off. This one goes back under there. Oh snap. But this is the connection, that way we won't forget what it looks like. This one goes into the positive, there's neutral. So let's start taking these off. Alright, so now everything's connected. We're gonna put it through the back. There's a hole right here where the part goes, and then we screw it on through here. There's this little clip right here. This one goes in there. So let's go put that, and then we'll be back. Alright guys, we got the part changed, put the battery on. Now we're gonna drain the oil, which is down here. We're gonna use this because we don't have a little hose. So we're gonna put this under, and then I'll adjust it once we're done, or once I let go of the camera. And then you do gotta turn that little brass bar right there. I think it's like a 18. We just twist it left, but I wonder if I can do it with my hand. So let me do that real quick. Alright guys, while we wait for it to drip, we're on this side right here, and we put the new filter back on. And this is the dipstick. Once we fill it up, we'll check it. This is where we're gonna pour it. And this is the oil that they recommended us. So we got 2 of those. And then we'll get started. Hopefully it turns back on. Alright, we gotta fill it up. Cool. Let's hope it'll start. Choke up. Hopefully, please start. What? That ain't good. We ain't got nothing. Huh. So let's check it again. Alright guys. Started. First the choke down. Choke down. We're letting it warm up now with the oil. So far, so good. We'll turn it off and then we'll check the oil level on it. Okay guys, we just tightened up the battery, double checked on everything, and then I remember something I let loose. Shine the light in here, and we're all good to go. Alright guys, that's it for today. See you next time. Peace.